Today, we are going to learn how to load and execute a coin flip simulator Python script. It's important to know that you can only load scripts to calculators that have already been connected to your NumWorks account. If your calculator is new, please ensure that you have paired and updated your calculator before this video. To begin, follow the link in the description of this video to access the public script on the NumWorks platform. On this screen, you'll be able to preview this script by clicking the play button, load to the calculator, see a short description, and see the code. This script will allow you to simulate flipping a coin a specified number of times. Connect your calculator to your computer using the cord it came with or any other appropriate cord. You may need to provide permission for your computer to register your calculator, and your calculator screen should say the calculator is connected. Press the Load to Calculator button. This button will turn green and say Sent. Once the script has been sent to the calculator, it will show up in your Python application at the bottom. Pressing OK on the script name will allow you to edit the script on the calculator. Backing out, we can press OK on the three dots to do more actions. Here you can execute the script, rename it, auto-import in the shell, and delete the script altogether. Let's select Execute the script and run a simulation. Input the number of coin flips you want to simulate. I'll use 1989 for this simulation. You will then receive the results with the number of heads and tails along with a prompt to run a new simulation. This simulation results in 1,070 heads and 919 tails. When you are ready to exit the script, you can type the word exit and hit execute to allow you to use the back button to return to your list of Python scripts. Pressing the alpha key twice will alpha lock to make typing a little bit faster. For more tutorials, visit numworks.com.